welcome to our Christmas home tour 2020.
We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've got
We are starting downstairs in the entryway. This is just a little entry table that I decorated, and then we're gonna move on into the dining room. And here is our candy cane tree that is in the dining room area, and then I put some lights that go down just to give it like a little snowing effect. And then right here is the dining room table all set, just kind of like a classic simple look this year.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you.
And here are my candy trees. This is my first year to do two separate ones. I usually had a big white one that was just full of all the candy, but this year I changed it up and did two in the corner of the dining room. But I am just obsessed with my candy trees. They are my favorite.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true.
And here we're gonna walk into the kitchen area, and I'm gonna show you in here.
I longed for this moment.
In the kitchen, it's just really simple. I did lighted greenery up top, and there's just a couple decorations up there. And then I did little trees on my mirrors that I have in the kitchen, and then I did an elf tree that I love as well. It's just all elf themed, and the kids love this one.
The first for you and me. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Whoa, oh, oh.
And there is the wreath tied on the back of the chair that I just used ribbon. And then here is our main tree in our living room area with our Santa sleigh that Santa will leave presents around when he comes. And this is just our main tree. I did 3 instead of one big one. I just love the way it turned out.
Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased.
And here are their stockings and just a little decoration of wood right here. And then there's camp stocking. He already drew Santa a photo right there. And then here is the greenery right there on top of the fireplace. And then I am going to show you the bookshelves and how I decorated those.
And me, hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the
area where I just display all their photos with Santa that they've done. And then now we're going to make our way upstairs.
Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you.
And this is where the boys' little loft area movie room is, and I wanted to put a tree there and do a movie theme, so I made most of this and then kind of got creative with it, but I think it turned out just right in how I pictured it.
It's just gonna be you and me, hanging by the fire chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
The master bedroom, and here I put greenery above the bed with some wreaths above my windows and a Noel sign, and just put a pillow in front that says Merry Christmas. Just very simple.
It's set to fall today. It comes to say.
And then above the fireplace I used the same greenery and just hung little stockings there.
And for every single child.
And then to go with our bedroom, I just did a black and white tree on a black tree. I like to use different colored trees, just it makes it different instead of always using green or flock trees everywhere. And this is our bedroom tree.
Today, the first snow this winter is promised.
And now we're going to walk through the hallway where there are snowflakes that kind of look like they're falling. The boys love walking down this hallway. It just feels like Christmas.
Near and far away, it says we can live together, and that we can find.
And here is his room with the lights turned off. I just wanted to show one with it off and then on with all their lights turned on. Now that the lights are on, I did a wrap garland around his bed, and then his cover is from Pottery Barn, and then the shams are from Amazon, and then the pillows from Hobby Lobby, and I just put it all together. And then over here is his Nerf tree that I did myself, and you kind of have to get creative making your own ornaments for that as well. Again, the lights are off, just showing you all of the lights that I have in his room, and then we will turn the lights on. And there's the lights. I have the same garland on his bed, and the same bedding. You have to be fair with your kids. And then those little trees are from the dollar spot. Hot Wheels themed and monster trucks. Again, you have to get creative. So I used tracks, and then some of these pieces are from like kids meals from Sonic way back when. And then I also did some Hot Wheels cars. You hot glue the little hook onto them, and it just turned out so cute.
I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you.
we're gonna go on to the boys' bathroom. And as you can see by the door, it is a Grinch theme bathroom for them, and there's Grinch everywhere.
I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not going away. And right around the mistletoe, I'm gonna let my feelings show. Always got you on my mind, but I know this time you're on top of my list, only wish. And as we decorate the tree, only you and me.
And that is my Christmas home tour. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this gave you some motivation to decorate some area in your home, and I will see you next time.